Go, Mama. It's the kiddos' first sled ride together.
Whee! Jeff dumped snow down Adelaide's neck. So that's probably why she's cranky. Here we go, here we go!
I want to get out.
Oh, okay.
Because I want to clear my swing set.
You're gonna clear your swing set? Okay, here you go, baby girl. Wow, okay! Woo! Baby girl, hooray! Come on, baby girl!
Yeah, but I'll help you.
Okay, okay. I don't know what she's doing now.
Maybe you should stop.
Oh, face plant, face plant. Okay.
Poor
Okay.
baby girl.
Baby girl. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Meanwhile, Jack's just cleaning off his swing set. Hey, Mama, wave at the camera.
No.
Wave at the camera.